In Maya, selection is done by default using this marquee option, just like in any Windows application. You just click, it selects. If you hold down Shift, it will select another one, and green is the last one selected, or the active object in this case. In Macs, it's the same, but there is no active object concept. If you press Q, up here there's an icon that will change, and if you keep pressing Q, it will keep changing and switching selection modes. So now I have a rectangular marquee, a circular marquee, a polygonal lasso, normal lasso, and this paint select option, which if I just drag, everything I paint or touch will be selected. In Maya, marquee selection is done under this tab in the tool settings. You have to select the option of dragging, and it only works in sub-object level, so I have to enter, for example, vertex mode, and if I paint with my arrow now, I can select the objects just like I did in Max. But again, this is only in sub-object levels. I have no way of changing my selection type, I mean my marquee selection type, only if I can only select normally. In Blender, it's a combination of both. I can marquee select by default. If I keep pressing W, it's just like in Max. It displays it up here on the left of which type I have, and if this menu is hidden with T, it will display it up here. So this is regular marquee select. If I press it again, it's paint select, lasso, and this tweak icon is a bit dangerous because if you select and by mistake just move your mouse just a bit, you will never notice that you actually dragged your object. So I would avoid using that in case you need it for something specific, because you can just normally hold down Shift and select just like in Maya, and your yellow, more yellow than this orange, dark orange, this light orange color is your active object, just like in Maya it's green. And if you select multiple objects, the last one selected will always remain the active one. You also have to select, when marking, you either have to select the edge sometimes, or if you have multiple objects, for example, it doesn't always work with your lasso unless you hover over the object's origin point, which is this orange little dot in the center.